Good morning from South Carolina. We got an adventure going on this morning. We didn't intend to be in South Carolina, but we were in Georgia near the border and we realized we need to get our oil changed. So called around to a few places. They couldn't get us in. We're too tall. We don't want to drop the camper, or they don't have our oil. So we decided we're going to do it ourselves. We are stopped at an AutoZone. We got all the supplies we need and a piece of cardboard because it is wet and raining. And Dave's getting to it. Sometimes life on the road, you just got to roll with it and sort it out. So that's what we're doing today. Got her draining?
I'm draining.
She's draining. Hood's up on one.
It's dark under there.
It's dark. It's like the worst possible scenario, but actually no, it's not.
Could be raining. I mean, it could be snowing.
Yeah, we're good. We're good. It's a good rainy day project, right? All right, the bottom half's done. Now just getting the oil in there. We got 7 quarts to get in there. Whew, it's cold.
I'm hot by this engine.
Oh gosh, don't say that. He said I hope I'm not putting this in the tranny fluid.
I'm messing with you.
I know you are. Because I'm that easy. I think we got her. Oh, I am cold. One thing we have to sort now is how we get the oil change alert off our dash. I know there's this like Nintendo code for it, left, right, A, B, A, B. Like,
the brake at the gas.
Pump the brakes. We'll have to Google that later. Oh, I think we're in need of a hot cup of coffee.
And just so you know, I don't pack a big oil drain pan with me.
We don't.
You can get one at Walmart for like $10.
That's what we did.
When you dump the oil at AutoZone, which they did for free, then we
left the container.
Donate the container to someone else who might need it down the road. So
yeah,
I'm not packing that thing with me.
We're not packing that thing with me. And honestly, we will likely take care of this at our home base in Florida.
That was the plan, but
a couple times a year. But
sometimes plans don't work out.
Yeah, and here we go. We got it done.
We just drove a lot more up into Georgia than I thought we would.
Yeah.
Kind of caught me off guard how many miles we got. We're not even had this a year, and we're over 14,000 miles.
Yeah, we're almost 15. Yahoo! Okay, hot coffee, and we gotta sort some food for the day in the next couple days. We're headed south back into Georgia today.
Back to Georgia.
Okay, we're re-coffeeed. Pistol got our lunch. Everyone's warming up. We got some food. We are headed down to J. Strom Thurmond Campground, north of Augusta, Georgia, on the lake. So just be easy drive day, a couple hours down there, and then settle in for a few days.
Go stay there. We got reservations for 3 days.
Wahoo! The sun's come out, the rain is gone. Dave made us a nice little surf and turf here.
Complicated.
We gotta time everything, right?
So, well, look at our kitchen. See how small this is? I did a reverse sear ribeye steak, fried potatoes, and shrimp. And had them all be done at the same time.
It's magic.
And she wants to help so bad, but you can't.
No.
It's a one-person kitchen.
It's a one-person kitchen.
So
tonight was his night.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. Thank you. It was nice to get all the projects done on the camper today. That was just really nice. On the truck, anyway. We got the oil change. We got the tires.
Yeah, we've been in, down in Florida. We're in 80 plus degrees to come up here, and had some nights in the low 40s. So it's hard on tire pressure. And our tires in this heavy duty truck are
high
PSI. And I just need to get a tire inflator and pack it with me. But you have to get one that goes, up to 75, 80 PSI if you need it. And not all tire pumps at gas stations are created equal around this country.
They're not.
I've wasted so many quarters and...
First of all, half of them don't work. And
anyway, I digress.
Yeah. Dinner is served. Baby. Dinner is served.
It was good.
All right. Next time you see us, we will be in Florida. Talk to you down there. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.